guys, welcome to the video. Please give it a like and subscribe. In our off-road Dan video on how to remove the radiator in a Yamaha Grizzly, we mentioned how Super Clean is a really useful product to get like all the dirt out of your radiator. So they decided to send us in a little package there. So let's just go ahead and open up the box and see what Super Clean sent us. Alright. So I think it's just a little card. They actually handwritten the card. It says, Dan, thank you so much for using Super Clean and featuring our product in your video. Jessica and the Super Clean team. So that's pretty cool actually that they took the time to handwrite something for us. So they actually sent out a camo Super Clean hat. This is super cool. I say me or Muddy Mills will definitely be wearing it on the bike. And along with the hat, they also sent us out a pretty cool t-shirt. This is a classic Super Clean color, looking really good. So right now we're just going to jump into what Into Deep Custom sent us. Travis hooked us up with an amazing deal for us, and we're going to just get right into that box. Alright, so we got our 2 snorkel kits that Travis from Into Deep just sent us. There should be some goodies in here, he said. So I'm going to go ahead and let Muddy Mills open up these boxes for us.
They're well packaged.
So right away we see some little koozies, some little cozies to stick our drinks in for riding, some water bottles.
Don't drink and drive though.
No sir.
We got some stickers, which are always great. So
lots of stickers. We like stickers.
Love stickers. A shirt each.
A shirt each.
Some Into Deep Customs merchandise.
Team Into Deep.
Yes, bye. Go ahead and take it all the newspaper and see what else is in here. Alright guys, we got this snorkel kit opened up. One of them. We should be 2 the same here. We're just going to go ahead and take the parts out and lay them on the floor for you guys to see. We're going to be doing a how to install this video. We're going to install it on one of our bikes first and then do the video on the other bike. So just keep a heads up for that. That's coming. So we're going to go ahead and lay these parts out. The kit seems to be pretty nice and comes with a well-detailed manual and instructions on how to install it. Also comes with this nice Into Deep plate for support up front, which is going to look sweet. Get that bolted up. Should make things a lot easier with the step-by-step there. It comes with vent lines, you have your hose clamps. The stacks are already pre-made, pre-glued. You got boots for attaching to your intakes. Hoses to come up to the front. So, doesn't look like it's going to be too hard of a job, and we're going to try to tackle this soon and get the bike snorkeled up.
We'd just like to thank Travis over at Into Deep Customs again for doing this amazing deal for us. We're super excited for him to be part of his team. We're going to get a lot of good pictures out on our Instagram page, which you could find here on Instagram. Also, we'd like to thank Super Clean again for sending us out the hat and t-shirt. That was really cool of you guys to do that. And for you guys watching this video, if you guys could subscribe to our channel and give this video a like, it would mean the world to us. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.